Freelancing versus becoming an employee abroad. It's a tough decision to make. So, pag-usapan natin, ano ba ang pros and cons ng dalawang options na ito? Stick till the end of this video para matulungan ko kayo pumili kung alin ang mas tama para sa inyo. So, let's get started. Una natin alamin, ano ba ang freelancing? Ito ay isang uri ng trabaho na kung saan ang isang individual ay nag-o-offer ng kanyang serbisyo sa isang kliyente o isang negosyo on a project basis. Sa ganitong setup, may kalayaang pumili ang freelancer kung anong project ang kanyang tatanggapin, kung anong oras at araw niya gagawin ang kanyang proyekto, at kung magkano ang presyo nito. To start with freelancing, merong mga platforms na pwede mong gamitin gaya ng freelancer.ph, upwork.com, and fiverr.com. You just need to sign up and create your profile and i-post mo yung mga services na ino-offer mo. At doon mahanap ka ng mga tao if they are searching for that specific service na iyong ino-offer. So, if you have a skill set or expertise that can be utilized remotely, freelancing might be the perfect choice for you. Here are a few advantages of being a freelancer. Flexibility. You could set your own schedule and you could work anywhere. Autonomy. You have the freedom to choose which project and clients you will work for. So, ibig sabihin, if you think it's not worth to doing the project, then you could skip it or politely decline. No commute. So, you don't need to spend time and money commuting to work. So, that is really a good thing, lalo na dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, napaka-traffic. Unlimited earning potential. You can take multiple projects and increase your income. Disadvantage of freelancing. Income stability. Income can be unpredictable. So, pwede ngayon meron kang mga projects at pwedeng bukas wala. So, it's very important kapag freelancer ka, you have to budget para makover mo din yung expenses mo. Self-employment tax. So, freelancers may have to deal with tax issue. So, kailangan mong mag-file ng income tax mo rin. So, kung hindi ka sigurado nakakadagdag ito ng isipin or trabaho para sa'yo. Lack of benefits. So, yan ang isang alam natin na kapag ikaw ay freelancer, wala kang SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, or Medicard. Pero itong mga minention ko na ito, pwede mo naman din bayaran voluntarily from your income. Skill diversification. You will need to wear multiple hats. So, kailangan mo i-manage yung work mo. I mean, for technical aspect and also the business side of freelancing. Here are some services a freelancer can provide. Writing and content creation, graphic design and digital art, virtual assistance and administrative support, marketing and advertisement, and many others. Ngayon naman, working abroad, what are the pros? So, una is steady income. So, working as an employee provides a stable and predictable income. So, nakaka-receive ka ng fixed salary plus the benefits. So, allowing you to plan and budget accordingly. So, eto napaka-reassuring dahil lalo na kung preferred mo yung financial stability. So, eto ang isang advantage if you are an employee working locally or abroad. Career growth. Working for an established company often offers opportunities for career advancement. So, you will have access for mentorship, training programs, and a chance to work on diverse projects. Additionally, being an employee provides a sense of security in a long-term benefits such as yung mga health insurance, HMO, and retirement plans. Ngayon naman, disadvantage of being an employee working locally or abroad. Cultural adjustment. So, adapting to new culture, lifestyle can be challenging depende sa bansa na iyong pinagtatrabahuan. Or if you are here in Philippines, you need to deal with co-workers and of course, if there are toxic things, kailangan mong pakisamahan and so on. Legal and visa issues. Working abroad often requires dealing with visa and permit regulations. So, kailangan maayos ang iyong mga papers and everything. Social support system. So, moving away from family can be really emotionally challenging. So, kaya dapat prepared ka. Cost of living. Some countries may have higher cost of living affecting overall savings. So, napaka-importante na maintindihan mo kung magkano yung cost of living, kung saan bansa ka magtatrabaho dahil merong mga bansa katulad ng Singapore at Japan na sobrang taas ng cost of living. Ultimately, the decision between freelancing and becoming an employee abroad depends on your personal goals and preferences. Both options have their own advantages and disadvantages. Freelancing offers flexibility and independence, while becoming an employee abroad provides stability and career growth opportunities. So ask yourself, do you crave for freedom or stability? Are you driven by the thrill of building your own brand? Or do you prefer the security of being part of a team? Whatever you choose, remember that it's essential to do your research, weigh the pros and the cons, and align your decision to your long-term goals. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful contents. Until next time, I'm out for now. Goodbye.